Look at that fabrication, it's beautiful. So that'd be a pretty cool part to have exposed. So when you pull up behind, we need to cut the rear bumper out or just not even run a rear bumper. So that is exposed, that looks insane. God. Oh, damn. FI exhaust has sent us, look at that. It's gonna wake her up for noise and also look super bitchin'. So you can see the fabrication is beautiful. Gonna give us some more noise. The Mad Lab, mate, everything's gotta be, from the Mad Lab, everything's gotta be loud. We like loud rotary, so we've gotta make loud V10s. It's a first. So I just tore this bubble wrap off and like, look at that fabrication, it's beautiful. So that'd be a pretty cool part to have exposed. So when you pull up behind the Lamborghini at the light, you're just looking at all of that. Of course, there's a huge performance upgrade. However, on the Huracan, Lamborghini already spec'd our Huracan with their full sports race exhaust. So this may not give us any more performance, but what it is going to give us is looks. I mean, you can just see the beautiful welds and all the stainless, which is making me think instantly to cut the rear bumper up. So all this beautiful fabrication is actually exposed to the public when they pull up behind the Lamborghini. You see this, it's going to make a statement.
Even all the internal joins and seams are extremely as nice as the outside. Some more bits. Well, Mike is distracted with the shiny parts. Oh, here it is. Mikey, check this out. You got a loud pedal, and now you got a loud button. Oh, what? So that controls, by the looks of all this, it controls the solenoid on the exhaust.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't run off the factory one.
Nah.
Sick. Just push the button and open her up. So we've got a little ECU. This looks like the,
looks
like the ECU little brain. So we'll plug into this. We got a little remote. So that just flicks the valve around. So you can see here. So vacuum is going to pull that actuator, close off a valve or open it up, and then make the exhaust gases either go the loud way or the quiet way. And that's simply push of a button. It's pretty freaking cool.
But really, this is probably pointless for you.
Yeah, because it's always going to be on
yeah.
loud mode.
Wow.
Sick. To tackle the exhaust system, a lot of stuff got to come out to be able to get in there. Potentially the motor, lift the motor up a little bit, so it's quite a bit of work. Undo these O2 sensors, and then that looks like EGT.
Should be.
Yeah, that'll be EGT, O2. Oh, there's another one down there.
Yeah, no, but the joins are, that's just going to be shiny, which we're going to lose by the airbox anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so just use this bit.
Yeah.
Well, let's take these off, see what's inside first.
Yep.
Whether this is like a full cat system.
Yeah, should be a straight through. undo those and then put it up into place. Yeah. But that's it. It's a fit.
Yeah, it's straight in there. That's freaking insane.
Is it a dream result?
It's yeah, very simple task for us actually, because it's just undoing nuts and bolts. Very simple.
And you get often when people sell you something that's a bolt-on, and I think throughout this whole build we're seeing with all these supplied parts, the quality of it is just making our life easier because it is a true bolt-on, and that's a testament, I suppose, to the quality that's being supplied, because not often that stuff just does that.
Oh, yes. Almost don't even run that freaking middle section. We need to cut the rear bumper out, or just not even run a rear bumper. So that's exposed. That looks insane. Fuck, how freaking cool is that? So I mean, this has made it really simple for us. The FI exhaust system is actually a literally bolt-in job, and it saved us a lot of work. You can see the beautiful fabrication, the bends, just how easy it fits in, and then the performance and sound. I just can't wait to hit that start button. I'm a rotary guy, but fuck, that sounds cool.
What are you talking?
How's that sound, mate?
Perfect.